Content is everywhere, but not all content is seen. AI models like ChatGPT are changing how information is ranked and shared. Let's discover how to make your content unmissable for AI. AI doesn't just scan for keywords. It looks for clear, relevant, and engaging content. To rank higher, your content must be easy to understand, contextually rich, up-to-date, and engaging. AI loves well-structured content. Here's how to optimize your writing. Use short paragraphs and headings, bullet points and lists, and summarize key points for clarity. AI-powered search is the future. Align your content with AI models by answering direct questions, using a conversational tone, optimizing metadata, and including relevant keywords naturally. The future belongs to AI-first content creators. Make sure your content ranks at the top. Want to master AI-driven content strategies? Join AI Versiti today.